Hey guys, welcome to Techie Simplified. So today we are going to talk about the iQOO 3L3 issue. Now I promised you there would be English videos and the English videos are here. So make sure you subscribe for more such amazing videos that are coming very soon. So today we are going to talk about the L3 issue. First let me explain you what is the iQOO 3's L3 issue. So recently a lot of iQOO 3 devices started being downgraded to the L3 level of certification for the wideband. Now what this certification does, it allows you to watch HD content on various OTT platforms. Now this cannot be done in a lot of iQOO 3 devices because they have been downgraded to the L3 certificate. Now the issue is that this has happened not due to user error but the company's error. The problem is on the part of the company. So how do you fix that? Firstly, try to downgrade to Android 10. There is a video that I've already made for the same. The link will be in the I button. Now the downgrade process will delete all of your data, so make sure that you have backed up all of your data. But if the downgrade does not help, there are two things that can happen. Firstly, for both of these things to happen, you need to visit a service center. Now, the first part is the fix where you go to the service center, you tell them, okay, I have the L3 downgrade issue. Now it does not matter whether your phone is in the warranty or out of the warranty, you're still going to get your phone serviced for this L3 issue without any charge. So make sure you know that. After that, what we do is we actually now see how you can get a totally free device from iQOO. It's a brand new device that you will be getting. Now, iQOO claims that to fix the problem, you have to change the motherboard of the said device. Now, since this is not a user issue, the company has to change the motherboard of the device for free. Now, a lot of service centers in India do not have the motherboards for iQOO 3, but rather have fresh devices. So what has been happening is, if you do have an L3 device and they cannot find you a replacement motherboard, which happens about 70% of the times, you will receive a brand new iQOO 3 device. Now, what are the problems with this way of getting a brand new device and what are the profits? Firstly, let's talk about the problems. The problem is you will be without a phone for at least 5 to 10 days. Now, that is the time it requires for them to check if they have the motherboard in the inventory and if not, to create an invoice for a fresh new phone for you. Other than that, the problems are that you will have to set up everything again, you'll have to lose all your data. Those are anyways there. Now, what are the profits? The profits are you can resell this really brand new phone or exchange it without any hassle, since it would not have any scratches, any damages, and if you are already facing any problems, you won't face those problems again. So that is how you can get a brand new phone from iQOO for free and how you can fix your iQOO 3's wideband L3 issue. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope it helps you, and if it does, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.